Okay, so I have to do this video again because my mic was not working. In this video I will show that Arbetsförmedlingen is using various techniques to just extract data from me. They don't need those data. They're using many different techniques to do that, and it's really freaking me out. Now, this is a test that I have been sent by this company, and they send me a psychometric test to drive a bus. No one takes a psychometric test to drive a bus. I've been doing that with good intentions to see. Now I will just demonstrate in viewed until test. So they send me this. That is testing. This is on the January 10th. This is a e-cut test. It is a very advanced test. It's not for bus drivers. It's extremely advanced test that is given to very sophisticated type of people. Predictive, psychometric, and all those kind of tests. And then so I log in. Yes, so this is a test that I did. It shows how it's a psychometric test, and I am certain almost that this is just another technique to solicit data from me without my knowledge. Of course they put it in this context so that they do the test, but it's not really what I need. So they're using various techniques. This is the first technique, and it's becoming too much, and I'm therefore not using the pop-up from Arbetsförmedlingen's website anymore, because it's showing up so much information that I have to answer to. That doesn't happen to other people. The other was from a website called Shortcut. This is also another website that I've been used to collect data from me. I didn't register to this website. It just popped up, and then it said that welcome, now you are a member of the website. Yesterday I've sent a request to the Data Inspection Authority regarding Arbetsförmedlingen and why they are soliciting so much data from me, and they don't need that, and it is freaking me out. What was the other one? Don't know. Yes, and all of a sudden my previous employers are also sending me data that I didn't ask. It's because there is Arbetsförmedlingen and asking them to do such a thing, and I don't understand why that is being done. This is not the way to conduct business of searching a job. They know me. They don't need to collect all this data.